Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this problem without a calculator. So we have 6 to the power of 6 plus 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 6 to the power of 6. Now, because all of these terms are the same, I'm actually just going to factor out 6 to the power of 6. So if I factor out 6 to the power of 6, I get 6 to the power of 6 times, now 6 to the power of 6 divided by 6 to the power of 6 is 1 plus same thing, 1 plus same thing once again, 1 plus 1 plus 1, finally plus 1. So now we have 6 to the power of 6 times 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now let's simplify what's in the parentheses. The sum of all these ones is 6. So now we have 6 to the power of 6 times 6. And whenever we're multiplying exponents, let's say we have a to the power of m times a to the power of n. All we do is we simply keep the base the same and we add the exponents. So this would be a to the power of n plus n. Now for 6 to the power of 6 times 6, well 6 is the same thing as 6 to the power of 1. So this is going to be 6, because we keep the base the same, to the power of 6 plus 1. And 6 plus 1 is 7, so this is equal to 6 to the power of 7. Now an easier way to do it is, instead of factoring out 6 to the power of 6 in the beginning, well, you can already see that there are 6 to the power of 6's, right? So that would just be 6 to the power of 6 times 6. And then 6 to the power of 6 times 6 to the power of 1, well, we already did this. This would be 6 to the power of 7. So that's just a faster way of doing it instead of factoring it and doing all of that. Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 25 to the power of x is equal to 125. Now, when we're solving problems such as these ones, and we're using exponents, we always want to make the bases of these two terms the same. As you can see here, the bases of these two terms right now are 25 and 125, which aren't the same. So we need to change these two terms so that they have the same base. Well, what's a common base for these two terms? 5, because 25 is equal to 5 squared, and 125 is equal to 5 to the power of 3. So if we plug these values in for our numbers here, both our bases would be 5. So now we have 5 squared to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 5 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is going to equal 5 to the power of 2 times x, which is simply equal to 5 to the power of 2x. So now we have 5 to the power of 2x is equal to 5 to the power of 3. And if we have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then this means that m is equal to n. So right here, we have 5 to the power of 2x equals 5 to the power of 3. This means that 2x is equal to 3. Now, this is a simple equation. All I have to do is isolate x, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. These two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 3 over 2. So this is our answer.